Hi guys and welcome to this video. Timebox is an online platform for everyone that offers you cash for completing short tasks as well as long-term jobs. Timebox runs advertising campaigns through the creation of tasks or click campaigns or any other form of advertising. So in this video, we will be finding out how much you can earn on the platform to help you decide if it is worth joining. On the face of it, it seems to be a reasonable marketplace for making extra cash from home, for those looking for quick cash, and for individuals who don't want to commit to long hours of work. But we need to take a closer look, however, to see if your time will be well spent here. So, a quick introduction to Timebox. According to information available on namecheap.com, the site timebox.com was registered in 2014 by the name Australian Clearing Pty Limited under the clarion call that everyone can now work and make money online. If you're already familiar with other micro job websites, then Timebox might be a site worth considering. It is free to join. So after watching this video, you may decide if it is worth a try. So let's find out how everything works. How to register. The process of creating an account with Timebox is straightforward. You only need to provide your full name, date of birth, email address, postal code, gender, state and country of residence. You can also create a profile page by entering your nickname, title, a short bio, but that's not really important. Your Timebox account will be created with a sign-up bonus worth 0.600 cents as soon as you verify your email address. I sign up and saw my bonus in my account balance. How does Timebox work? Timebox is divided into two sections, one for advertisers and one for workers. Advertisers post various jobs and small tasks on the site for workers to complete. Some of the most common tasks include signing up for website, watching YouTube videos, liking social media pages, following social media accounts, etc. Once you have signed up, you will see many of these types of tasks. They are not really very high paying. They range from around 0.01 cents to 0.20 cents for each task, and sometimes above that. It is actually dependent on the system. By clicking a task, you will be taken to a page that explains what is required and the proof you have to provide. You are only required to complete tasks as per the requirements of the advertiser and submit proof of completion for you to receive your earnings. Submitting a false proof will result in a red flag and subsequent termination of your account after 3 warnings.
So this is timebox.com. This is their site. So we go to the dashboard, see the earning, referral earnings, earn, advertise, ladder payment. Understand? I think the most important dialog box here is the earn button. Understand? So let's go over it. Network is giving me issues. Okay, he's up. Have the tax. Okay, so this is the tax area. So it has a filter. You can filter anything you want, and this is the tax area. See, has so many tax. You can just choose the one you like. Choose the one you like. Understand? You can view the instructions. Understand? View the instructions. Understand? View the instructions. Understand? So guys, this is the site, and I think this is it.
Although the tax are very low pay, as you continue, you can choose high value tax to increase your earnings. Let's look at the income potential at Timebox. Unfortunately, the income potential is very low. Short-term tax only pay between 1 cent and 15, 16, and 17 cents, while long-term jobs pay up to $15 and above per tax. If you look at the tax area, you will see the amount allotted for each tax. So from these figures, it is easy to tell that potential earnings are not very lucrative. At best, this is a very small side income. The maximum amount of money that you should expect per month once you perform the task accurately and consistently is dependent on the time, effort, and resources you put into it. Timebox also has a referral program that pays you $1 of what your referrals earn on the site. However, unless the referrals are active on the site, you won't earn a lot here. It is helpful if you genuinely enjoy working with Timebox and you have managed to earn quite a bit yourself. Your enthusiasm will then be conveyed to your referrals, who will then be more likely to use the site themselves.
Timebox also has a bonus system which you receive when you complete the earning goals, but you have 1 week to complete it because it normally resets on Monday morning, 12 a.m. saver time. Earning goals excludes bonuses and referral commissions. So if you earn 0.40 cents, you will receive a bonus of 0.02 cents. If you earn $1, you receive a bonus of 0.03 cents. And if you earn $3, you receive a bonus of 0.05 cents. If you earn $5, you receive a bonus of 0.10 cents. If you earn $10, you receive a bonus of 0.50 cents.
Getting paid on Timebox. Payment is a straightforward process on Timebox, which doesn't require you to undertake numerous formalities before you can receive your earnings. You don't pledge for retrials. Your money is automatically sent to your ATM dollar account every Thursday after you've gotten to $5 on Tuesday. The way it works is that they have two timers, the invoice cutoff timer and the payment timer. The invoice cutoff timer stops every Tuesday and begins a fresh count again till the next week's Tuesday. For one to be able to get paid in a particular week, he must have $5 or more before the invoice cutoff timers for that week elapse. Else, he will have to wait till the next week. The payment timer ends every Thursday. When the timer ends, your money will be automatically transferred to your ATM dollar account and a new timer starts counting for the next week. If, for instance, you have $5.7 in your account when the invoice cutoff timer stops on Tuesday, that's what will be sent to your ATM dollar account after the payment timer elapsed on Thursday. A message will be sent to you as regards how much you will be paid for the week. And if you make an extra $1 or $2 between that invoice cutoff timer, the payment, that money will not be paid to you because it has a different invoice cutoff timer. Timers are seen at the bottom page of Timebox.
So this is a payment I've received. You can see the invoice cutoff timer I talked about. This is amount received, method, the dates, status, and the receipts. You can see all the details here. You scroll down, you see everything. Is the total paid bonuses, the total paid commission, and the total overall paid. You can see everything, guys. So this is it. So guys, this is my ATM account. You can see the withdrawals I've made so far. You can see the numerous withdrawals I've made. You can see Access Bank there. You would see Fidelity Bank, and you can see everything here. And guys, this is all what I've received from Timebox so far. You understand? So these are the numerous withdrawals I've made so far, and I think that's it, guys.
The minimum payable balance on Timebox is $5. including the sign-up bonus, which can be withdrawn, and Timebox doesn't charge any processing fee for withdrawal transactions. So what I like about Timebox is that, one, it is free to join. The platform accepts applicants from all geographical locations except Iran, North Korea, Syria, Sudan, Cuba, Russia, Somalia, Lebanon, Zimbabwe, and some regions of Ukraine. Two, sign-up bonus. You will receive a 0.600 cents withdrawable sign-up bonus after completing the registration process. This is an attractive incentive for anyone seeking to make money online. Number three, plenty of jobs. Timebox offer plenty of jobs at any given time. Furthermore, these jobs are easy to do and their availability is not pegged on graphical locations. Number four, referral programs. Timebox runs an affiliate program that pays you $1 of your referral earnings, but it will be given to you when the person you referred has been verified, and the person can only be verified when he gets to $5. You understand? So from everything I've explained here, you can decide if you want to join Timebox or not. Please subscribe to my channel because this channel is very transparent in exploring various methods of earning money online so that you can stay updated on what strategies are successful and the ones which are not.